Are you looking to attract more traffic to your Google business profile? Great, because in this video, I'm going to teach you exactly what to do to attract traffic to your Google business profile, which guess what? Your Google business profile is your online business card, and the more traffic you can get to that, including higher rankings, more clicks, means more calls, more clicks for directions, and more business for your business. So everything we can do to help your Google business profile stand out helps your business stand out. Let's break this down. But first, why is this so important? If you've been paying attention to how your business shows up or which businesses show up in Google, you're going to notice that it's Google business profiles. Those first three results that show up are going to be Google business profiles. And guess what? It's going to be those profiles that get the majority of the local business. So having your profile stand out and then be the one that gets the click, whether in Google search or in Google Maps, is going to be all the difference for driving consistent business growth for you in attracting local customers. Let's get started on exactly what you can do to help your Google business profile stand out. Okay, first up, you need to use posts. So think about it. When you see Google business profiles in the search results, the ones that stand out and that you want to click on are the ones that have posts. Why? Because posts talk about events, updates from the business, or special offers. When a consumer sees those things, it makes them more interested in choosing that business because they know the business is active and is also offering them something of value. So use that post section consistently to help your business stand out and attract those clicks and traffic. Number two is updated information. So not only is updated information important for Google liking it, but also those consumers, because they're going to see, hey, this business actually has updated holiday hours, actually has an updated address and phone number. All of this information is updated and accurate, makes me trust that business and know that if I click on any of that and drive to the store or call to hire them, I'm going to go to the right place. Accuracy improves trust. Next up, photos. And it's not just about going in and adding a few photos once. No. In fact, 100 photos or more makes your Google business profile more likely to get more traffic. Google likes profiles that are filled out. Why does it like that? Because, hey, the more content that's on a Google business profile, the more useful Google knows that it is, the more likely it is to show your profile to people who are searching for things that you do. So first off, make sure that your Google business profile has more than 100 photos, but that's not all. You need to make sure that your photos represent a lot of different things about your business. So your photos can represent the inside of your business, the outside of your business, examples of your work, your team, and yourself. Include a whole bunch of photos because the consumers are going to like to see that. It builds credibility and trust for your business. And for Google, it helps them also understand that your business is thriving because you have a bunch of photos of different aspects of your business. Now, next up is consistency. Don't just add photos once and think you're done. You need to add photos on a regular basis because, hey, fresh photos help attract eyeballs, and they also help Google understand your business is thriving. Speaking of a thriving business, there's nothing that tells Google your business is thriving like an ongoing flow of reviews to your profile. So if you really want to attract more organic traffic, not just reviews, but that you're getting reviews on a consistent basis, because that is a big indicator to Google that your business is active and thriving. If you are getting a flow of 10, let's say, good reviews, positive reviews every single month, Google knows your business and Google knows that people like the business that you're doing. That makes them more likely to bring up your Google business profile, which has this positive reinforcing factor of driving more and more traffic and sales to your business. That's not all you have to do with reviews though either. You also have to make sure that you are responding to those reviews. Whether they're positive or negative reviews, Google likes to see that you as the business owner are active and not just people on your profile. If you do both of these things, get consistent reviews, get high quality reviews, and you're responding to them, you're sending a ton of positive signals. And guess what? Consumers like to read reviews too. So now you have consumers reading more reviews, and the more reviews they see and the more recent reviews they see, the more likely that consumer is to trust your business. And of course, you can't just get 2-star reviews. You need a high star rating. So you also need to ensure that the reviews that you're getting consistently are mostly 5-star, because that's going to help make sure that your business stands out and that Google knows, hey, this is a high quality business. This one is not done on Google Business Profile, but you got to stay tuned because this is critically important. What am I talking about? You have to get your citations updated. I'll put 2 links down below for you to use. They're tools that make it easy, but basically you have to make sure that your business name, your business address, your business phone number, and your business website are consistent across lots of different local business directories. When they are, it sends all the right tracking and ranking signals to Google that your business is legit, helping to improve your ranking and thus helping to improve your organic traffic. So update your citations across the board on sites like Yelp, Monta, White Pages, Super Pages, and make sure that your business is up to date across the board. Next up, make sure that you include your products. So if you have products that you sell in your business, make sure those are integrated into your Google Business Profile. It's going to help to make sure that, hey, the Google shopping results are also tying back to your business. And when people go to your business, if they are interested in hiring you or buying your services or products, they're seeing a listing of what you actually have to offer. It helps with the engagement in your profile, which is going to send positive signals to Google as well. Okay, let's not forget the aesthetics. Make sure that you have a logo and a nice cover photo. Those are going to make your Google Business Profile look professional. Don't just use a picture of your dog as the profile picture. Make sure that you have a professional logo as the logo. Make sure that you have a nice cover photo as the main image that really represents what your business is, what you do, and your professionalism. And last, don't forget to take advantage of Google's tools. So if, for instance, booking is a part of your business, make sure that you have that activated. The more that someone can engage with your profile and find the useful information or take the useful actions that they need to take, the more likely it is that Google is going to see customers satisfied with using your Google Business Profile and boost it up above others. So those are some easy takeaways to help you boost your Google Business Profile and get more traffic to it. If you like this video, I'm talking about all the ways to boost your business. Local marketing's the game. Hit that like and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next video as we talk to you about how to make sure your Google Business Profile is packed with keywords and local SEO optimized. We'll talk to you soon.